Okay, so welcome guys to another video, I guess. Yeah, so this is a question from, okay, I guess I should write it down somewhere. Top right corner, yeah. JEE 2013, if I'm not wrong. 2013, right? And mains, yeah, mains. So this is like a competitive entrance exam or something, if I'm not wrong. Yeah. Anyways, so the question says, let z be a complex number such that the modulus of z, that is its distance from the origin, is equal to 1. We've been told to find the argument of 1 plus z upon 1 plus the conjugate of z. Now, of course, you could go about this like in a usual manner, in a way that will be very slow. You know, you could just, okay, so you could solve for this, you could rationalize this and stuff, and then you could like do some, I don't know, advanced stuff. But one simple recognition, one simple observation renders this entire question very easy. Like, okay, emphasis on this statement, right? Okay, so we get z from this statement, and this is a property of complex numbers. So z times z conjugate is equal to the modulus of z squared, right? Actually, this is just the modulus of z is equal to 1, but well, I mean, squaring both sides, it's not that tough to see, right? So z times z conjugate, and this is a magic, is equal to 1. Voila. Now it's really easy. This should have been like a YouTube short or something. Z bar, oh sorry, I think I should like remove the denominator, so I think I should write it as z bar is equal to 1 upon z bar. Sounds like a fancy name for a bar, but okay. So now we write the argument, the inner statement of the argument, and for example, I forgot to mention this. So argument of a given complex number just means its angle from the origin to the x-axis. So say this is our complex number x plus yi, so its argument would be this theta, right? This is what I've been told to find. And of course, in the question they've said the argument of the original complex number z is theta, so we have to find the argument of this complex number, which is, well, it's not really the complex of a question, is it? I'm smart. 1 plus z upon 1 plus, now for z conjugate we get 1 upon z. Now this should be easy enough to simplify if you're like anywhere close to capable of living life. Sorry. Yeah, so I'm gonna write it out anyways, right? Z plus 1 upon z. So we can write this as 1 plus z times z upon z plus 1. And of course 1 plus z and z plus 1 are the same thing, because addition is commutative over the complex numbers too. So these cancel out and we get z by itself. And now finding the argument of z isn't really finding anything, it's more like looking at the question and recognizing that it's just theta. This was a really quick question. It was, I mean, if you could, okay, now if you guys want me to go about this like the complex way, so to say, if you guys want me to do that, then well, just ask me down in the comments and I will do it if you want that. But this is the way you should do it, right? This is really the way I think they intend you to do it. They want you to do it, sorry. This is the intended method, I think. So yeah, this was really simple, and it really increased my morale, you know. Yeah, I'm good at math, yay. Okay, nice. Subscribe.